So bago natin simulan, ang 5 natin na motorcycles na marerecommend ngayong 2026, ang masasabi ko talaga dyan is pag-usapan muna natin si Suzuki Gixxer. Which is meron itong price of 106,400 pesos. Displacement niya naman is 155cc na naka-air-cooled. Power of 13.9 horsepower, torque of 14.0 Nm. Naka 2 valves tayo dito, gearbox is 5-speed manual transmission, fuel tank of 12 liters, fuel efficiency is 53 kilometers per liter yung kanyang estimation. Tapos total estimated range naman is 636 kilometers. Unfortunately, wala tayong ABS dito sa motorcyclong ito. And I never expected talaga mga bossing that for the price, especially ngayon, mas maganda na yung naibibigay talaga na konsumo kay Suzuki Gixxer 155. And to tell you honestly, yan yung isa talaga sa reason bakit I am totally fan with Suzuki Gixxer. But ngayong 2026 kasi mas marami ng competition si Suzuki Gixxer when it comes to price, when it comes to specs, and when it comes to designs. Kaya naman, ang una nating motorcyclong marerecommend dyan is none other than the Hero Hank 160R 4V. This one could really be a great alternative or an option kay Suzuki Gixxer because it has 99,900 pesos sa kanyang SRP. Displacement niya naman is 163.2cc na naka-oil cooled, power of 16.6 horsepower, torque of 14.6 Nm. Valves naman natin dito is naka 4 valves na, gearbox natin dito is 5-speed manual transmission, fuel tank of 12 liters, and fuel efficiency of 48 kilometers per liter na nagto-total estimated range of 576 kilometers. Same din siya ni Gixxer na walang ABS. Ako mga boss, I'll tell you honestly 5 years ago, the Suzuki Gixxer is priced around 96,000 tapos cash plus LTO 98. Knowing that the Hero Hank ay merong 99,000, dun ko talaga masasabi na Hero Hank's price is now the Suzuki Gixxer's price before. And napaka-competitive na rin kasi meron na itong 4 valves. Knowing that the Suzuki Gixxer ay merong pang 2 valves lang. Tapos, naka-liquid cooled na rin yung cooling system niya. Samantalang si Suzuki Gixxer is naka-air cooled lang. Pero if ako yung bibili, of course, I'll still look for another motorcycle option. Which is, yung pangalawa natin is ang CF Moto 150NK with the price of 100,900 SRP with a displacement of 149.5cc na naka-liquid cooled, power of 10.8 horsepower, torque naman natin dito is 11.5 Nm, and meron naman itong 2 valves. Gearbox nga pala natin dito is naka 6-speed manual transmission, while ang fuel tank capacity naman is merong 10 liters with the fuel efficiency of 45 kilometers per liter na fuel consumption estimation. Meron itong total of 450 kilometers sa kanyang total estimated range, and the same with the Gixxer and the Hero Hank, wala rin itong ABS. Now, isang thoughts ko talaga about this motorcycle is that this motorcycle talaga is a very great recommendation for people who likes a naked sport bike pero medyo kapos sa height. So, the CF Moto 150NK talaga is one of the naked sports bikes na pwede natin ma-recommend kasi meron nitong 775mm na seat height and ito yung lowest para sa ating motorcycle recommendations. So, si CF Moto NK 150 na ba yung napipilian mo? Bago ka mag-decide, meron pa tayong pangatlo, which is si Bajaj Pulsar N160. The price of 115,888 SRP. Displacement niya dito is 164.8cc na naka-oil cooled. Yung power niya 15.8 horsepower na rin and torque naman is 14.7 Nm. Naka 2 valves na rin and 5-speed gearbox na manual transmission with the fuel tank capacity of 12 liters. And fuel efficiency niya naman is 45 kilometers per liter na fuel consumption estimation na magbibigay ng total estimated range of 540 kilometers. And what you're gonna like about this motorcycle is that meron na itong dual channel ABS. Now, when we're gonna talk about specs to price ratio, I think ito yung mas mahal kumpara kay Suzuki Gixxer, which is price around 115 ito, tapos si Gixxer ngayon is around 100 plus, 105. Knowing that, alam mo talaga that this motorcycle talaga isa tingin ko mas worth it sa price na binibigay niya kasi meron na itong dual channel ABS para sa ating safety. Naka-oil cooled na rin siya, tapos mas maganda pa yung kaniyang sistema kasi meron na itong maraming features tulad ng Bajaj Ride Connect, yung mga turn-by-turn navigation, naka-projector LED headlights na rin, so madami talaga siyang specs to price ratio. And pwede mo yan tignan sa other videos ko kay Suzuki Gixxer versus Bajaj Pulsar N160 na comparison. So if ever priority mo yung performance to price ratio, I think ito talaga yung mas masusulit sa'yo. Pero andito na tayo sa second to the last na motorcycle na pwede nating ma-recommend. The Yamaha MT-15. With a price of 180,000 pesos, displacement niya is 155cc na liquid cooled, power of 19.0 horsepower, torque of 14.7 Newton meters, naka 4 valves na, gearbox naman is 6-speed manual transmission, fuel tank of 10 liters, fuel efficiency niya naman is 42 kilometers per liter ang kanyang estimation, tapos magkakaroon siya ng total estimated range of 420 kilometers. Napakaganda ng power but unfortunately wala pa itong ABS. Ito naman mga boss, si Yamaha MT-15 is one of the most poging motorcycle na nakita ko sa 150cc segment na naked bike. And you'll never go wrong din naman choosing this motorcycle kasi Yamaha na yan mga boss eh. Although sa specs to price ratio medyo makukulangan ka dito kasi wala itong ABS, wala itong yung parang turn-by-turn navigation, pero I think meron naman itong Yamaha Y-Connect. If ever wala man, paki-comment na lang dyan sa baba. Medyo makukulangan ka lang din if ever ikukumpara mo to sa Suzuki Gixxer when it comes to patipiran kasi naka 10 liters lang yung kaniyang fuel tank capacity, tapos around 45 din yung kaniyang fuel efficiency. Torque wise, pabilisan wise, arangkada wise, wala na tayong kailangan pag-usapan dyan. Dyan panalo si Yamaha MT-15. Pero kung gusto mo ng MT-15 na power pero medyo classic yung datingan, then let's talk about Yamaha XSR 155. A classic naked sport bike na merong price of 182,000 pesos na SRP with a displacement of 155cc liquid cooled, power of 19.0 horsepower, torque of 14.7 Newton meters. 4 valves na tayo dito with a gearbox of 6-speed manual transmission, fuel tank of 10 liters, fuel efficiency of 42 kilometers per liter na estimation, total estimated range of 420 kilometers, and no ABS. I think pogi pa rin naman tong motorsiklong ito. Ito talaga mga boss, si Yamaha XSR talaga yung isa sa mga pinapangarap kong motor dati. Right before nakilala ko si Suzuki Gixxer. But as time passes by, I think I could really live with my decision na pinili ko si Suzuki Gixxer 155 because of the price to specs ratio, especially sa konsumo. And knowing that si Yamaha XSR yung pinakamahal, I think kaya mo din talaga pag-isipan yan. If you're a Filipino rider like me na medyo nag-iisip sa konsumo, sa pang-araw-araw, yung sa gas, yung mga ganon. And I think the Suzuki Gixxer 155 is okay pa rin naman kasi forma-wise, goods pa rin naman tayo dito, diba? Now, when it comes to quick results naman regarding sa ating comparison to specs, ang pinaka-fuel efficient dito is none other than the Suzuki Gixxer 155 na mayroong 53 kilometers per liter na fuel efficiency. Pinakamura naman is the Hero Hank 160R na mayroong 99,900 pesos. Yung pinakamahal dito sa budgeting is the Yamaha XSR 155 naman na mayroong 182,000 pesos. When it comes to pinakamalaking fuel tank capacity naman, meron tayo dito kay Hero Hank, kay Bajaj Pulsar N160 at saka kay Suzuki Gixxer 155 na meron silang tig to 12 liters of fuel tank capacity. May bibigay naman na safety feature dito is the Bajaj Pulsar N160 na merong dual channel ABS. Meron din magandang features tulad ng na-recommend ko kanina like the Bajaj Red Connect, turn-by-turn navigation, projector LED at marami pang iba. Pinakamababang seat height naman is the CF Moto NK150 na merong 775mm na seat height. So ito yung pinaka-safe if ang pagbabalance sa pagmamaneuver yung pag-uusapan. Pinakamatangkad na seat height naman dito is the Yamaha XSR 155 at saka si MT-15 na merong 810mm na seat height. At ang pinakamagaan naman dito is ang Yamaha MT-15 na merong 134 kilograms lang. But sa all in all total estimated range, si Suzuki Gixxer 155 yung ating pinakamahabang pwede mong magamit for a very long ride. Meron kasi itong 636 kilometers of total estimated range. If i-multiply mo ang fuel tank capacity at saka fuel efficiency. Kaya naman sa final thoughts natin about this motorcycle, ang masasagot ko dyan is that gustong gusto ko tong motorcycle ito talaga na si Suzuki Gixxer, and I think you'll never go wrong talaga with this motorcycle. Knowing that for the price to specs ratio, hindi ka na magsisisi talaga dito sa motorcycle ito. But if you want the price to specs ratio na pinakasulat, kasi si Gixxer is priced around 105,000. Tapos si Bajaj Pulsar N160 naman is priced around 115. I think sulit na doon para sa akin si Bajaj Pulsar na merong dual channel ABS, yung mga na-mention ko kanina. Pero if papormahan naman yung pag-uusapan, ang magugustuhan ko naman dito is si XSR 155 or si MT-15 na meron pang speed. Pero sa akin kasi hindi ko na kasi masyadong need yung mga ganyang pabilisan eh. So if ever gusto niyo yun, kunin niyo yun by all means, alright? But sa all in all, papogian, papormahan lang, tapos pwede rin ipang-touring, which is I'm slowly doing it. Then I think Gixxer talaga is one of the best recommendation motorcycle as of the moment. But other than that, I hope nakatulong ako na magbigay ng recommendations ng naked sports bike sa inyo. Pero kayo ba mga bossing, okay ba sa inyo si Suzuki Gixxer 155 or sa 5 naked sports bikes na na-recommend ko sa inyo is mas may napusuan kayo? Pakilagay nga dyan sa comment section and discuss natin dyan together with the community. And if nagustuhan mo yung mga ganitong klaseng videos, you can follow me for more. Like this video na rin and make a comment down below if meron ka mga questions or suggestions na pwede natin pag-usapan dyan together with the community. You can also support me by purchasing helpful products dyan sa mga affiliate videos ko, and always remember lang to ride safe and see you on my next video.